Toyota built this camper 48 years ago, and it's still better than most modern RVs on the road today. Most people look at this thing and think it's just another old-school Toyota camper. Then you notice the stance, the lifted suspension, the aggressive wheels, the four-wheel drive setup. And suddenly you realize this isn't the kind of Chinook you normally see sitting at vintage RV shows. This machine started life as a 1978 Toyota pickup, but what it became after that is something completely different. Back in 1991, a builder in Oregon took the entire thing apart and rebuilt it from the ground up into what might be one of the most insane Toyota camper conversions ever made. And the crazy part is, it still looks period correct. The body is finished in a custom walnut metallic paint that instantly separates it from every stock Chinook ever built. Underneath, it's riding on a modified 1980 Toyota 4x4 frame, which completely changes the personality of this camper. That means solid front axle, manual locking hubs, upgraded running gear, and the kind of off-road capability nobody expects from a vintage fiberglass motorhome. The front sits on a 3-inch lift, while the rear gets 4 inches, giving it an aggressive posture without ruining the classic proportions. Even the wheels are authentic Toyota factory FJ40 steel wheels with chrome center caps, the same style used on early 80s Toyota pickups. And this build didn't stop at appearance. Under the hood sits a heavily upgraded 20R engine that was fully rebuilt during the restoration. It's bored 30 over, fitted with performance upgrades, upgraded ignition, side draft Mikuni carburetors, dual K&N filters, remote oil filtration, and a custom exhaust setup that completely changes the way this thing sounds. This isn't some tired old camper struggling uphill at 40 miles an hour. This thing actually moves. There's also a dual battery setup with a separate coach battery system, an aluminum 3-core radiator, and enough mechanical upgrades to make it feel more like a purpose-built overland truck than a vintage RV. And honestly, that's what makes this build so special. Most old campers feel fragile. This one feels engineered. Walking around the outside, the details just keep getting crazier. The fiberglass Chinook shell remains completely seamless, preserving the classic design that made these campers legendary in the first place. And the decals? Those are genuine factory Chinook decals sourced directly through Gary Leuchardt, the original creator of the Chinook campers. That alone tells you how obsessive this restoration was. Inside the cab, it somehow gets even more impressive. At first glance, it still feels like a late 70s Toyota truck. But once you start paying attention, you realize nearly every surface has been thoughtfully upgraded while keeping the original character intact. The seats are straight out of a 1985 Toyota Supra, genuine Recaro seats, completely restored and embroidered with Chinook logos while still retaining all the original adjustments, lumbar support, and bolstering features. The dashboard stays true to the original 1978 layout, but hidden throughout are subtle upgrades that make the truck feel decades ahead of its time. There's even a rare Japanese market Toyota clock integrated into the dash, something originally available only in JDM Hilux models from that era. You've got factory-style switches everywhere, upgraded gauges for oil pressure, temperature, voltage, tachometer readings, variable speed wipers, a working factory radio, CB system, and even fully functioning air conditioning. In a 1978 Toyota camper, that alone feels illegal. Above the windshield, there's an aircraft-style overhead control panel filled with switches for lights, outlets, interior systems, and auxiliary functions. It gives the cab a weirdly futuristic vibe while somehow still feeling vintage at the same time. And then you notice something else. Everything works. That's rare even in modern campers, let alone something built nearly 50 years ago. The builder didn't just restore the Chinook, he obsessed over it. The entire truck underwent a full frame-off rebuild. Everything was disassembled, refinished, repainted, and rebuilt properly. Even the dash pad was sourced as genuine new old stock Toyota parts back in the early 90s before they disappeared forever. And once you step into the camper section, it becomes clear this thing was built by somebody who actually used campers instead of just looking at them. The layout is incredibly smart. This particular model uses the gaucho-style interior with an L-shaped couch that quickly transforms into a full bed. Above the living area sits an optional dual hammock sleeping setup, one of the coolest features ever offered in these vintage Chinooks. Even with the hammocks deployed, there's still enough room to sit comfortably underneath, which makes the space feel far more usable than most compact campers. The kitchen setup is simple but functional. You get a 2-burner propane stove, sink with custom butcher block cover, microwave, original propane furnace, multiple power outlets, lighting upgrades, and a 3-way Dometic fridge that still functions exactly the way it should. And remember, this stuff is from 1978. The lighting throughout the camper has been upgraded to LEDs, the upholstery was fully redone during the rebuild, and the entire interior still looks shockingly fresh decades later. No water damage. No sagging panels. No weird smells. It honestly looks preserved rather than restored. One of the smartest parts of this build is how everything stores away. The dining table folds down and disappears neatly into dedicated storage, the front bunk folds up against the roof, and all the curtains snap perfectly into place for privacy or stealth camping. You can tell somebody spent years perfecting this thing. And unlike many vintage campers, this one was actually engineered properly underneath. The camper body mounts were reinforced with metal instead of weak wood construction, dramatically improving long-term durability and structural integrity. That's probably why this thing survived in such incredible condition. The original builder reportedly used it recreationally through the 90s before eventually turning it into more of a show vehicle. It spent years protected indoors, carefully maintained, and displayed throughout the Pacific Northwest, where it reportedly won dozens of first-place awards. Honestly, that doesn't surprise me at all. Because there's nothing normal about the Chinook. Everywhere you look, there's another detail. Fishing rod holders built into the door. Exterior porch lights. Custom monitoring systems. Coach battery management. Power converters. Temperature readouts. Storage compartments hidden everywhere. Even the curtains were custom-made specifically for this camper. And despite all those upgrades, it somehow never loses the soul of a classic Toyota. That's the hardest thing to achieve with a restoration. Most custom builds either become too modern or stay too primitive. This one somehow balances both worlds perfectly. You still feel the simplicity of a 70s Toyota pickup, but now it's paired with serious off-road hardware, upgraded mechanical systems, and enough camper functionality to actually travel comfortably. And the crazy thing is, Toyota never officially built anything like this. That's what makes it feel so special. It's basically the alternate reality version of what Toyota campers could have become if someone had unlimited patience, factory knowledge, and an obsession with perfection. Even the driving experience feels completely different from what you'd expect. The upgraded suspension, stronger drivetrain, improved engine performance, and lighter fiberglass body make it feel far more capable than its age suggests. Most vintage campers feel slow and delicate. This thing feels alive. And because the Chinook shell is so compact compared to larger RVs, it still retains that small truck agility that modern camper vans often lose completely. You could actually take this thing places. Forest roads, mountain trails, remote campsites. Places most RV owners would never even attempt. That's why people still obsess over vintage Toyota campers today. They were compact, lightweight, incredibly reliable, and surprisingly practical. But this build takes that formula to another level entirely. It combines classic Toyota reliability with genuine off-road capability and wraps it all inside one of the coolest camper designs ever made. And honestly, it might be impossible to recreate today. Not because the parts don't exist. Because the patience doesn't exist. A build like this takes years of hunting rare components, sourcing correct era parts, fabricating custom systems, and understanding old Toyotas at a level most people simply don't anymore. That's why builds like this are becoming legendary. They represent a time when people built vehicles slowly, carefully, obsessively. Not for social media. Not for sponsorships. Not for clicks. Just because they genuinely love the machine. And you can feel that the second you see the Chinook. Even after all these years, it still looks like something you'd spot at an overland event surrounded by modern six-figure builds, except this would probably attract the bigger crowd. Because modern campers might have giant touchscreens and fancy electronics. But they don't have personality like this.